everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so why not impress that special someone with a home-cooked meal so good they'll have no idea just how easy it was to make. Tomato and red pepper pasta. Let's get into it. First, get some water boiling for our pasta and let's cut some veggies. Take a handful of cherry tomatoes and 1 red pepper and dice both into tiny pieces. I'm using a mix of colors for the tomatoes just to add some color variation into the dish. Now finely mince a couple cloves of garlic. Grab a medium pan and set it to medium-high heat with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Add the garlic, tomatoes, and pepper and give it a good sprinkle of salt and pepper. Stir that on the heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Any Italian pasta works for this dish, but I prefer good old angel hair. Add 2 servings of noodles to the pot and cook for the recommended time on the box. Once time is up, drain out the noodles, but not before saving about a 1/4 cup of the cooking water. Coarsely slice up some fresh basil leaves and add them and the drained noodles to the pan. Pour in that reserved water and give everything a mix and twirl and stir and all the other actions to mesh everything together. Once there's no water left in the pan and our noodles are nice and coated, let's plate this dish. Now don't worry, I made some for Connor too. There is such a good salty sweetness from our veggies that just pair really, really well together. It's really good. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite romantic dishes are down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
And then spin the other one.
Whoa.